When editing mathematical and chemical formulas, how can we use the superscript and subscript functions to add special symbols? Take this mathematical formula as an example. To display this effect, click Edit, head to the Tools bar, select the Home menu, and select Superscript or Subscript functions. Select the text and add Superscript effect. Alternatively, you can set the superscript and subscript effects in advance and enter symbols. For example, edit the chemical formula O2 of oxygen, enter the symbol O of the oxygen atom, select subscript, and enter the number 2. How can we cancel the superscript and subscript effects? You only need to select the text with subscript effect and click Subscript again. Likewise, to cancel the superscript and subscript effects in batches, you can select All Text and click Subscript. Add subscript effect to all text, and then click Subscript again to cancel all subscript effects in batches. You can also use the Format Painter tool to cancel the effects in batches. Select the text without superscript and subscript effects, and click Copy Format from the floating menu. Then select Paste Format to cancel text effects as needed. For more convenient text superscript and subscript effects settings, you're welcome to WPS Office for PC.